By any chance, if you do not see the recommended one, or if you have a lower resolution problem, what you can do is just do a right click in the start icon and then go to Device Manager. And once you have clicked on Device Manager, a new window will appear. And here we need to look for display adapters. Now I'm using the Intel UHD graphics. In your computer, you might have AMD, NVIDIA, or any other graphics, or the Intel one. You just need to do a right click and click on Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then just do a right click again, Update Driver again, and select Browse My Computer, and then let me pick. And from here, select one by one. So select the top one, then click on next and see if your display is better. If not, then come back here, select the second one, and then click on next. In this manner, you will be able to download the driver, the right driver for your graphics, for the monitor, and then you can change the resolution. I hope it will resolve the issue for you, the display resolution issue. And please let me know in the comment section if it has fixed for you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.